Hello everybody, this video is going to talk specifically about the group exemplification essay and discussion board. So if you go to that section, or if you already have printed these off, you don't need to come here, but go to link to full description of this week's collaborative essay prompt and discussion boards, which you will find under week 4. Once you click on it, open it. Here's an overview. This tells you what we're going to do for the next 2 weeks. We are going to use the discussion board so that we can work as a team. Make sure that you follow the dates of when I want things due. So if you scroll down here, dates for posting, I've given specific dates. Make sure that you follow this so that you keep your group tight, that everybody's sharing in the work. Not one person is doing all of the work. That's not fair. However, if that does happen, when I'm grading, if maybe some students may get a 90, maybe others will get a 70, I will base this on participation. So therefore, please make sure you follow the dates for posting. I've made it very clear. Next, read over the essay prompt and then discuss that. I've given you some questions here that may help you start to formulate your ideas. Then down here, the essay requirements, it should be at least 3 to 5 pages in length. Follow MLA format. I'm not requiring you to cite any outside sources. However, if you do, please follow page 735 in your book. Also, I'm not going to require a running header. Let me show you an example of what I mean. If this were your paper, most of them want you to put the last name and the page number, and then it'll keep running. Howell 1, the next page would be Howell 2. I'm not requiring that. However, what I would like you to do is put all the members of your team on the first line, my name, the course, and the date. Then start with the title, and then your first paragraph here. Make sure you indent. So this is just an example. You can also see this in the back of the book. If you do decide to use a outside source, you will also have to have a works cited page. Again, please follow page 735 for that. You do not need to include any outside sources. Maybe you just want to give personal experiences. That's fine. But if you do, again, go ahead and use the MLA format. If you do cite from the outside, use outside sources. Excuse me. Again, here are the dates for postings. Please follow them. Read them carefully. Here is a revising checklist and an editing checklist. These will be used, these 2 checklists will be used for week 5. So after you've posted your paper into the discussion board, you're going to go ahead and you're going to start editing each other's sections. However, you may choose to have one person write the paper, put all the ideas together, and then that person does not have to edit. The others in the group will revise and edit. When you're doing the revisions and the editing for week 5, I think you'll start those on the first draft of the paper, I think March 18th or March 20th. Okay, March 20th actually, excuse me. This is what it should look like. Let me make this a little larger so you can see it. If you were doing revision in the discussion board, obviously you'd read over the paper and then you'd make your comments. Did it have a clear thesis? Your comments. Was it sufficient in specific details in your comments? And where are these criteria coming from? They're coming from here. Thesis clear, essay succinct. How do the examples add interest? You'll just add those here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That way, when people come to read your comments, they know what they could change in the paper before you hand in the final copy. If you want to, you can paste and copy your part of the essay into Blackboard, the discussion board, or you can attach a file like here. I have left that open. Please read over this again. I know it's a lot of information. If you have any questions, email me. If you need to, watch this video after you've read this more closely. I think it will make more sense. After you read through this, the first thing you want to do by midnight, Wednesday, March 11th, is join a group. You're going to join a group the same way that you joined the discussion groups for week 3. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.